Hi! In front of me is REALME C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then you need to scroll down, tap on Security and choose Screen Lock. Select one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password, and click on the one that you wish to use. Then enter it and tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Next, repeat it and choose Confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I will go with Show Sensitive Content Only when unlocked, so I have to click on this option and tap on Done. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!